seen you guys in a whole day. I was not gone very long, but man, I miss these guys. I feel like they've doubled in size. It's not the best idea to wear flip-flops because when they step on your toes, it hurts. So as you guys saw, we finally got turkey. I'm really excited about it. Jason and I have talked before about getting turkey. The last 2 years that we've been here at this property, we haven't really celebrated Christmas and Thanksgiving with dinner. And so I think this year we'll actually be able to cook a turkey for Christmas and Thanksgiving and eat a good dinner. And this will be the first time that we get to do that. So I'm really excited about it. It was a big goal of mine.
So now Jaylena's back, we got some salsa that she has to try.
Let's see if this is as spicy as Jason.
If I had to get my mouth burnt, you're getting yours burnt.
Mm-hmm. I'll go big or go home, right?
Yeah, I bet she starts crying. Yeah,
it's not even hot.
You're a liar.
It's not even hot.
I don't know.
There's like a very small amount of like spiciness, but it's not hot at all.
I think you're lying.
I think you're just a weenie.
Well, you know I don't do spicy stuff.
Jason's a wimp.
When it comes to spicy stuff.
Yeah.
So it's not even spicy at all.
No, I mean, you can taste the spiciness, but it's not like I'm dying and I can't breathe and it's burning my throat.
Then I think you should stick your spoon in this powder and try it. Do it right now.
But
do it. Nuh-uh. No ands, ifs, or buts. Just dab it on there. No. Now knock all that off. All of it. Knock all of it off. You're putting this in your mouth.
Not straight.
Yes.
Nuh-uh.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I'll do it with some.
All right, fine. Well, let me see the bottom of that spoon. Lift it up. It's still on there. Go.
Jason's such an antagonizer.
Do it. Tell me it ain't hot. Can you feel it now? I can see that cilantro in your teeth.
Now it's spicy, but it's not like spicy, but now it's getting hotter and it's getting hotter.
Is it getting hotter? Yeah, is it hot now?
It's hot now.
That's
Are my
what you
eyes
get.
starting to water?
A little bit.
Are they? Am I turning red?
A little bit.
I'm getting hot, you guys.
Don't sit here and tell me that it's not spicy.
Now you eat a spoonful.
No, I did it on camera.
So did I.
No. Well, now, but I did it live. So you got what you deserved. Telling me it wasn't spicy?
It's not that bad. I mean, it's not even as bad.
Yeah, but you know I can't handle it.
It's like eating Takis.
Which is spicy. I don't even do like hot sauce at like Taco Bell.
I can say though that like
yeah,
my heart, I
it?
feel it like in my heart. It's like, you know. She's
basically saying that made her feel the way the love for me makes her feel.
Mm-hmm. So Jason and I actually did a video on a healthy alternative to kitty litter a while back, and if you've seen it, you know that we use horse bed pellets as kitty litter instead of the traditional kitty litter because I wanted something that was healthier for both us and our cats. And some people have reached out and actually said that they couldn't do it. Their cats just didn't take to that type of kitty litter and they can only use traditional kitty litter. So Grand Life Brands sent us this odor eliminating powder that goes over your kitty litter, and I'll show you how to use it. It's super simple and easy. Anytime you clean your litter box, you just pour some on there, and once you put new kitty litter, you put it on the bottom and then sprinkle some on top, and then as needed. So we wanted to do an honest review of this product, so we bought the cheapest kitty litter we could possibly find for $2 at Walmart, and we've been using it for about a week and a half, you guys. And that says a lot if you know anything about kitty litter, because it's very hard to keep the smell out, especially the cheap kitty litter. So we've been using it for a week. It's worked absolutely great. It is non-toxic for you and your pets. You can also use it for furniture and rugs and such. And so as you guys know, Jason and I are currently staying in our camper right now, up until we decide to do our tiny house. And being in such a small place, this does an amazing job eliminating the odor. And you know that we keep it real and we aren't gonna lie to you. We actually really do believe in this product. It has worked amazing for us. So if that's something that you are interested in, we will leave the link in the description below. And if you do use it, let us know what you think. And so I also wanted to point out that this actually doesn't have its own smell. And the kitty litter we use doesn't have its own smell either. So by using this product, it actually makes your kitty litter last longer than it would traditionally. Do you like it, Beeps? What do you think? Yes? Kisses for yes?
And my take on that product is, Jaylee and I are staying in this little camper. It's small. I'm not the biggest cat fan. I love dogs. I love being outside because the dogs can just poop and pee outside. And I've always had an issue with the smell of kitty litter, and I hate it. And the fact that this works, it might save our marriage. We'll see. But yeah, that was a paid ad, just so you guys know. But we declined the money, and we basically said it took us a little longer to get the video out. It actually worked. We think it was great. It's something that we're actually going to use. And so we just said, don't worry about sending us the money. We're still going to put the product out because it actually worked. And we want you guys to know that it worked. And we're not saying that for money. And so if you do want it, it's down in the description. So while we're outside, Jaylena's gonna let the cats out for a minute. They like coming out. Our dogs are over there asleep. They don't even care. We don't want them cooped up in there, so we let them come out. They're not gonna run off. They're all fixed, so we're not worried about it. But while we're here, you guys know that we live in this travel trailer, and Jared lives in the shed to house. It's like 800 square feet. I know. Why would we live in something small and Jared get the big one? Because Jared's got to get him some ladies to fill up, and you're not going to pull any ladies living in a travel trailer. And I already have my lady. She's a cat lady and weird, but she's mine. But what I wanted to talk about is we're going to build our own tiny house, and we want to take you guys along with us. So what we're thinking is we'll build something kind of small, like this travel trailer. This is a 20-footer. And it's like 8 feet wide, so do the math, what, 160 square feet, real small. We don't mind the small spaces, we just don't like the layout. And so, we're going to build our own, but I got a question for you guys, because we're gonna take you guys along with us, because that's how we live our life, is we put our life on the internet. And good, bad, and the ugly. So, what I want to ask is, if we built this house, would you guys want to follow along, and what would you like to see? We want to build small, so we're thinking something about this size, maybe a little bigger, I don't know. But what if we did a house that was super bare minimum, super rustic, super easy, but it got the job done for under $1,500. That's crazy cheap. I mean, how are we gonna even pull this off? So it would be a challenge to us to show you guys how to build it, how to get the materials for cheap, how to get like windows for cheap, doors for cheap, frame it up, put the roof, insulation, you know, wood burning stove, the whole deal. We would like to take you guys along with us. And so if that's something you would like, please comment down below. And if you would rather us build something crazy and over the top and more expensive, let us know. Of course, we're not made of money. We barely make money right now anyways. So we'd still do it as cheap as possible, but we know we have a lot of followers that are into like alternative living and stuff like that, and that's what we're into. We love crazy, not your everyday 9-to-5ers, cookie cutter house. We love different stuff, and so if that's something you're interested in, let us know and comment below. And you know, we want you guys to enjoy the journey that we're gonna go on. Even though we're gonna make our own decisions, we do like your opinions.
Halo's the only one outside. Halo.
Where'd your cats go?
The other cats, Betty and BB's sleeping. Betty's here.
There's Halo.
Tomato.
Halo. Why don't you tell them the story about the first time I met Halo?
So, Halo is very stuck to herself. I'm the only one that she likes to let pet or cuddle with her. She doesn't like people in her face. And the first time that Jason ever came over and met her, she hopped up in his lap and fell asleep. That's how I knew he was the one.
That's right. That's right, ladies. But look at this. Where are you going? Our dogs don't care. Yeah. If you know us, you know that we like to let our animals live the healthiest lifestyle, the most natural lifestyle. So we like free-ranging our cats. We have not taught them how to go get their own food, so we don't have to feed them anymore, like chickens. But we like to free range. Come here, Halo. Come here. She doesn't really care about the camera. She's too good for that. But I think the rest of the day we're gonna enjoy this nice weather. What do you think, Jaylena?
I think I might have to bring BB outside so she's not left out of the whole outside adventures. So we are going to enjoy the rest of the day. I have a lot of lettuce to pick later. Lots of salad coming up this week.
Who's gonna pick all the weeds out?
I am.
Today's your day?
Uh-huh. I really need to get started on the other side of the garden. As you've seen, it's very much overgrown. There's not a whole lot planted there, but we just need to get that grass out of there. So we're gonna do that, and I'll probably go for a run later. And you guys, as always, anything you need to know about us is in the description below. And if you like us, feel free to hit subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and we will see you next time.